Take a moment to check out the 2021 Nissan Titan. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, trailer hitch. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.